Wondering how to safely use a tanning bed at Planet Fitness? Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can get the best results without any risk. First, make sure you have a tanning session pass or keycard. Planet Fitness offers tanning as part of certain membership levels, so check your membership or ask the front desk to activate tanning access. Before stepping into the tanning bed, put on protective eyewear to shield your eyes. Remove any jewelry or makeup and make sure your skin is clean. Apply a moisturizer or tanning lotion if you use one. Set the tanning bed timer according to your skin type and experience level. Lie down comfortably, close the lid, and start the session. Always follow the recommended time limits to avoid overexposure. When your session ends, step out carefully. Moisturize your skin to keep it hydrated and avoid irritation. Avoid using the tanning bed again too soon. Follow Planet Fitness guidelines for safe usage frequency. And that's it. Using a tanning bed at Planet Fitness is simple as long as you follow safety tips and session guidelines.